In e-commerce, your competitors test daily. E-commerce competitors analysis, it's just not one platform. It's 5 specific questions: ads, price, traffic, SEO, and retentions. And today, we're going to uncover the best tool to answer each of those questions without breaking the bank. If you sell online, your competitors are testing offers daily. You cannot afford to fly blind. This tool will show you their best sellers, their traffic sources, and even their tech stack. You'll feel like a spy. You'll be Sherlock Holmes. We'll keep it practical, what to track weekly versus monthly, and I'll share what's not worth paying for. And your goal here is not to copy your competitors. That's a recipe for disaster. It's to see their system: SEO, stack, emails, ads, all their campaigns, their promotional and their content calendar, and then decide what's worth testing. On Panoramata, you can track all your competitors' marketing strategy in one place. This is the best when it comes to tracking campaigns. You can use it to monitor your competitors' emails, flows, ads, landing pages, social posts over time, search by angle, offer, or season, and it's the best way to build swipe files that actually stay current and the best way to actually outperform your competitors effectively. For instance, you could track your competitors' website, product pages, and landing pages. This is the best to improve your own offers and your merchandising intelligence. You can spend 5 minutes on the homepage messaging, product page structure, their bundles, the lead capture and their incentives. On Panoramata, you can see how much they're changing this over time and how, for instance, it looked like the last Black Friday or even the Black Friday before. Did they keep the same offer or did they change it? On Panoramata, you have the answer. What's great as well is that you can actually look for different things within your routine. Weekly, you can scan for new ads and new emails. Panoramata will do this for you automatically. On a monthly basis, you can review the top landing pages, their offers, and maybe quarterly, refresh their SEO and see if there is any big gap. Then you should turn this competitive intelligence data into successes. For instance, I have a look at your competitors' content calendar automatically on Panoramata and check for a new offer to test, a new landing page to test, or a new creative angle to test as well. If you don't run experiments, then competitor research is just entertainment, time lost, just time spent scrolling on your phone. So that's why Panoramata is here to help you achieve this automatically. You can track all your competitors in an organized fashion in one place. Again, emails, ads, landing pages, socials, SEO, reviews, and much more. With one goal, so you can make better marketing decisions faster.